All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a quick overview and review of what has to be my favorite motor on the market. I've been using these motors on my go-to freestyle build, which at the moment I'm running a Apex HD frame with the HDZERO VTX. So I've got the HDZERO Freestyle V2 VTX, the Nano 90 camera, and this has to be my favorite, my go-to. So if I'm just going to have fun, do a quick flight, it's so responsive, it's got so much punch-out power, it's incredible. Now, a lot of that has to do with the motors that I'm running. What those are the RCinpower GTS IV. These are 2207 motors, 1960 kV, and they come in this fantastic black and gold, or black and yellow, however you want to call it, look. Get this to focus really quick. There we go. So yeah, we have the RCinpower GTS IV, 1960 kV. See if you can see that. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is give you a quick flight. Unfortunately, the GoPro has succumbed to injuries. So we're just going to do a quick flight. You're going to have some HDZERO DVR footage. And we'll get back to, I'll do a talking overview while that happens. So bad news is, the first try, the DVR footage from my HDZERO goggles did not record. I think I had an issue with the SD card, so I just formatted it. Good news, it's recording. So we're gonna go out for the first flight, which is now the second flight, and try again. Just turn around really quickly. So the one thing I want to point out is everyone seems to think that the higher KV 2207 motors, like these are getting up there in KV. Bad time for that to happen. I clipped a branch. Anyway, so everyone's saying that the higher the KV you go, the worse the throttle resolution is. And I can say personally, I have no problem with the throttle on these. These motors feel fantastic. Compared to the Mr. Steel motors, the ones I'm referring to are the V5s by Ethics. I have no problem going back and forth. Obviously these have more punch, right? And boy do they have punch. So we're gonna do a quick full throttle punch. You can see it absolutely has the power. And throttle resolution is great too. You can do this tight, intricate stuff. You can do flowy. You can do fast. So right now we're gonna go nice and tight. See, you got that smooth throttle control. You have all kinds of throttle resolution. And look at that quick punch. These motors are absolutely fantastic. They have so much power. They're just graceful. Also, with this MAMBA stack paired with these motors, I'm running stock Betaflight, what is it, 4.5.1 PID tuning. I did turn off gyro low pass 1, and I do get some prop wash Let's see if I can, yeah, right there. So you heard that prop wash, but being new to FPV, I'm not the best when it comes to tuning. I've only been flying for about 2 months, give or take. And honestly, there's no weird tendencies with these motors paired with the peanut butter and jelly props by Ethics. I've got no problems whatsoever when it comes to throttle feel, control, anything like that. And the tuning, like I said, it's stock. I'm getting pretty low battery right now, so I'm gonna take it easy with the throttle punch outs. We'll come in for a quick landing. All right, so as you can see, the quad flies great, like completely stock Betaflight 4.5, 0.1, and yeah, I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. If there was any grievance I had with this, it would be that they're a little bit expensive. But you get what you pay for, right? Isn't that the old saying? You get what you pay for. And at 27 bucks a pop, they are well worth every penny. I couldn't recommend these motors more. Again, stock PIDs, the motors aren't even warm. So I did quite a few punches there. The motors aren't hot. They're maybe warm to the touch, but not much warmer than my battery. So all things considered, I would say that's you know, respectable. I have not burnt one of these motors out yet. I've been flying this quad almost exclusively, other than when I need 03 footage because my GoPro is broken as it is right now, which is why you guys are currently watching DVR from the HDZERO. So I probably have 80, 90 packs flown through this setup, specifically this setup, these motors, this stack, obviously not these exact props, which I don't know if you can tell, but I'm flying with some pretty jacked up props on the front. The back they're okay. But if you listen closely, you'll be able to hear it flies great. Stock PIDs, really jacked up props, and there's hardly any prop wash. Yeah, it's a little noisy. It's not perfect, but that just goes to show that this quad flies absolutely stunning. So you saw before we did a nice smooth flowy flying. Now we're doing a little bit more of that freestyle. Oh, hang time. You know, for flying for only 2 months, I'm patting myself on the back because I'd say I have pretty good control over this thing. But yeah, fresh battery, some freestyle flying. Absolutely ripping. Oh, power loop action. So you can do it all with these motors. And RCinpower, if you are watching, I love these motors so much. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about these motors. And if you have anything new coming out in the future, I would love to take a look, try them out, give my honest review. I'll probably end up buying them anyway, especially if it comes to a new set of motors, because I absolutely love these. Ooh, that was clean. Ooh, okay. Slow it down. Don't mind my wobbliness. I am still kind of getting used to flying FPV while standing. Let's see if I can flip this thing back over. There we go. After all that, little crash, and we're back. Let's see the damage. A little dirty, a little beat up. We put these quads through hell, and they keep on kicking. And these motors are a great thing to pair with any freestyle quad. Get yourself a set of these motors. These are the RCinpower GTS IVs, 2207, 1960 kV. You will thank me later once you try these. We got a little dirt going on here. I can't really see much. Hopefully the DVR footage comes out okay. Next time you see a video like this, I will have the GoPro on top. That way you don't have to just watch DVR. But anyway, thanks guys. Thanks for checking out the video. And yeah, RCinpower GTS IVs. Let me know if you pick up a set. Comment down below how you feel about them, how the price point, all that. But I have an extra set of these I'm going to be putting on another build. Stay tuned for that. I'll try and do a build video. All right. Peace.
Everyone here's under a spell. They tell me don't chill. There's no one